Okay, so summer's coming up, and I wanted to show you a really cool way to personalize your water bottles. If you're like going to the beach or the pool or anything, and you just want to have a really cool water bottle and be able to tell whose is who. Okay, so I'm going to use this Batman file. It's an SVG file that I have because my son loves Batman. And I'm going to do something really cool, and I'm going to put his name inside the image. It's really, really easy, and it looks super cute. Okay, so I am going to use Batman Forever font that I downloaded from defont.com for free. And I'm going to go ahead and change the font color to white so you can see it better when I put it on top of the Batman image, and just kind of put it here and center it and put it how I want. So basically you can use any image you want, and you can insert your name into that image. And once you have the name situated where you want it, you select the image and you click on slice. It's that easy. So, okay, so once you're done slicing it, all you have to do is drag the image away, and you're good to go. And you can just delete, the verbiage that you have, and that one's all set to print. Okay, so for this one, it's a little bit different because it's a group image, and it's still really easy to do. The only difference is you have to ungroup it and just separate it, and then the area, the image that you want to put your name on, you would go ahead and drag it on top, just the same as that we just did with the Batman. Um, so it's basically the same. It's just you have to separate the images. That's it. And then you'll go ahead and select it and hit slice, and then drag it aside, and delete the verbiage that you're not going to use. And it's just that simple. You don't have to put it back together because you're going to print it anyway. So anyway, let's get started, and we're going to print it and go ahead and put it on the water bottles and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm printing both of them out. So I'm going to put the black vinyl down on the mat, and I'm going to print for both water bottles. So let's make sure that it sticks to the mat, and we are going to hit continue and do premium, and go ahead and get that started. Okay, and we're going to take this off the mat, and I'm going to go ahead and just cut out the excess, and then we'll go ahead and put the next color down. I just like to get this done, and then okay, so now let's go to the next color. Okay, now I'm doing the white part, and doesn't want to stick very well, so I'm going to go ahead and just put a little tape on it. I have extra vinyl, so I'm trying to use that. So I have it kind of up here a little bit, and I think that's why it doesn't want to stick. But we'll go ahead and just use a little tape. Okay, now we're going to do the green. Let's put it this way so it sticks. Okay. Okay, so I have it all printed. I'm going to go ahead and start weeding it. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll come back so you don't have to watch me weed. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do my son's water bottle first. And what I'm gonna do, let me take this out of the inside. La, la, la. Okay, let's just take that out. Okay, so what I'm gonna, yikes. Okay, so here this is, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and take some transfer tape and put it over it. And then I'm going to just kind of rub over it. Okay, move the camera, see if you can see better. Okay, so just rubbing over it. And then we're gonna slowly pull this up. Sometimes it just needs a little love, little help. Let's do there. Okay, and then make sure we get this A. Yeah, we did. Okay, so now we gotta put it on the cup. Let's do it right here. And you can do any image you want. You know, anything you want you can do, and you just do that slice that I did, and then you can put that right in there. And I think this is perfect for like going to the beach, the pool, wherever you go, and you know whose is whose. Let's make sure. Whoa, and you know what, I put it here, let's see, this, oh good, I thought I did something, it was just a little bit of nothing. Okay, so doesn't that look super cute? And I'm gonna go ahead and do mine as well. And give me 1 second. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just kind of tape mine here, just temporarily, just to make sure that I put it in a position that everything will fit. So I just want to make sure, and let's put this one up, put this one up like that. Okay, I just want to make sure that everything would fit. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the verbiage first. And of course, I just got tape that won't come off. Let's see. Okay, so now we're going to put this on. And let me move this up a little bit. And I'm just kind of putting it in the middle and then slowly just kind of going to the side to do the verbiage. Okay. I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see better. Okay, so I have that, and then next I'm going to do this watermelon and then build down from it. And okay, and I'm gonna put this right here. And same, where I just kind of put it in the middle and you slowly go to both sides and just rub it down. Okay, and then the next color is white, so I have to get the white one. Okay, same thing. Okay, let's do that. Okay, 1 second, let me just make sure that it's even. Let's put it like right here. Okay, same thing. Okay, and then last is the green. And I don't know how important it is if you really want to watch me do the little watermelons or not. I don't know if I'm wasting someone's time doing that or if you really want to see or not. Let's see. Let me just make sure. I like to just make sure that it touches, that it's even with the white. Okay, and then let's see. Nope. Okay, let's try this. Whoa, it's sticky. Okay. Sometimes when they're bigger projects, sometimes you just have to be real patient putting it down. Okay. Oh, nope, I don't like that. Let me move it up a little bit. Let's see. Yes. Okay. And then I'll just keep doing the rest and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so they're both done. We have this one and then I did this. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think of the projects. Thanks, bye.